Hey guys, for today's video, I've got a brand new strategy on how you can grow a YouTube channel with 0 subscribers and 0 views. So this is a new strategy that I just implemented to this channel, DreamCloud, and you can see that the views have gone up by 22% and the impressions have gone up by 28%. And this is in the analytics tabs or analytics section of my channel, DreamCloud. So what is this new strategy? So if I scroll down here, you can see the traffic source types. This is where I get most of my traffic from: YouTube search, browse features, suggested videos, and channel pages. So we're going to focus on these two at the top: YouTube search and browse features. So about 2 months ago, I would say browse features was on top. So browse features was the majority of my views. It was about, I would say about 36% of my views. But now it's YouTube search. It's getting 52% of all of my views now. So if you don't know what YouTube search is, let's say someone searches up your video. So let's say you have a channel on yoga and you have a video called the best yoga poses. And if someone searches up the term best yoga poses on YouTube search and your video comes up in the search results, and if they click on your video, that's counted as a YouTube search traffic. Browse features is the homepage. So if you go to youtube.com or just the homepage of YouTube, YouTube will recommend you a bunch of videos, and this is all videos that you based on the videos that you watched in the past. So if you've been watching a bunch of yoga videos, then it's going to recommend you other yoga videos to watch in the YouTube homepage, and that's called browse features. So I used a mix of browse features and YouTube search to get this 22% increase in views. So how do you get this strategy? How do you use this strategy on a brand new YouTube channel? So let's say you're starting a brand new YouTube channel on yoga. So let's just stick with that niche. What you do is you go into open up a new incognito tab, either on Firefox or on Google Chrome. So you're completely signed out of your YouTube account and all your accounts. And then if you go to YouTube, it's going to recommend you a bunch of videos based on what other people are watching. This isn't based on what you're watching, it's just what people are just watching worldwide. So it's a fresh new YouTube account, and make sure you don't sign into your account at all. So I'm looking for a yoga video or a yoga topic that's trending. So what are people talking about in the world of yoga? So I would just type in yoga in the search results, and I would just open up 3 random videos on yoga. It doesn't matter what it is, just open them up.
Hello everyone, welcome.
And all you need to do is just watch like 5 seconds of each video. So it doesn't need to be long at all. So it's I just literally watched like 2 seconds of this. Now let's like 2 seconds of that.
Thanks so much for joining Distracted.
And 2 seconds of this one. So what you just told YouTube's algorithm is, I'm interested in watching yoga videos. So that's what YouTube thinks now. Now watch what happens when you go to the YouTube homepage. It's going to recommend you a bunch of videos on yoga. So there's one here on 20-minute full home workout, and there's another one here, yoga with Adrian or something. So I'm going to open up these 2 videos as well, and I'm going to check the number of subscribers and the number of views, that these channels have. So this one has 7 million subscribers. That's quite high. So you probably can't compete with this channel. It looks like it's one of the biggest channels on YouTube in the yoga niche. Let's check this one. So this one has 800,000 subscribers. That's not too bad, but it has 700,000 views. So what I'm looking for is a video that has a higher number of views than the number of subscribers that that channel has. So this number should be, the number of subscribers should be lower than the number of views. So that means they're not getting their views from their subscriber base, they're actually getting it from somewhere else. It's probably, the video is probably trending, and YouTube's algorithm is probably taking their videos and showing it on the homepage just like this. So that way they're actually getting new subscribers and all of that. So they're probably getting those views that way. So what you need to do is just keep refreshing until you find a video that has more views than the number of subscribers. So let's just hit refresh. So here's another one. I think that's a workout video. There's another one, yoga for transitions. Here's another one, but that looks like a reality TV show or something. So let's not click that. I'm going to refresh again. So you just keep keep refreshing over and over again. Here's one, here's another one. And let's hit refresh one more time. Okay, 1.4 million views on that one, so it's pretty good. So let's have a look at these videos now.
Hello, my darling.
Okay, so that's 372,000, that's 7 million subscribers, so I'm not going to do that one. So let's close that. 1.8 million subscribers, so I wouldn't do that one. And this one, so this one's clearly trending. So we finally found one. So 45,000 subscribers, but this video has 203,000 views. So that's a really good sign that this video is trending because it got recommended in the homepage and the number of views. Oh, here's another one that's trending as well. So 800,000 subscribers and 1.4 million views. So we just found two videos that are trending because it got recommended in the homepage and they have lower subscribers than the number of views. So what I usually do now is I upload a video that has a similar title to this. So let's say I have a yoga video. I would just name it 20-minute home yoga workouts. And I would just, it doesn't say yoga in this title, but I would just add in yoga if my video is about yoga. And I would also take the tags that they've used and the descriptions and the thumbnails that they've used. I would create like a similar video to this, and that would get my video into the suggested section right here. But we're not talking about the suggested section in today's video. It's all about the browse features and YouTube search results. So I would still name it similar, but I would put in something like how to. So let's just stick with this video here. So I'm gonna make a video on classic Pilates mat class. So I would make a classic yoga mat class. Instead of Pilates, I would just call it yoga or something like that. And I'm gonna go search that term up, classic yoga mat class. Let's just search that up. So for this, you're gonna need vidIQ installed. So this is a free version of vidIQ, this version right here. This is the basic version. Just go to vidiq.com and just click on free sign up and you should be able to get it. And once you sign up, you'll see this little IQ icon right here. So then you just go into YouTube and just search up yoga classic mat work. I think that was called. I forgot what the title was. Yeah, mat class, not work, mat class. Oh, I spelled mat wrong there. I think that's what it was. Yeah, classic. Oh, so yeah, classic mat class. So next what you do is, if you have vidIQ installed, you'll see this section right here. So it tells you how often this keyword is searched up and how high the competition is. So it's telling me that the competition is very high and the search volume is low. So what you want this to be is you want both of these arrows to be at least in this yellow area, and if both of them are in the green area, then that's really good. That's really rare to find a keyword like that. But if I could just get both of these arrows into this yellowish area right here, then that's a good sign. So we found a video that's trending, and also we found a keyword that's also has a high volume and low competition. So that's what you want to do. That's how you get both of those videos into the browse feature section and in the search results of YouTube. So it's a really powerful way to increase your views by 20% overnight. But let's just stay focused on this. So yoga, so we're going to try to get the arrows to this yellow mark right here. So what you do is you can play around with these keywords, and you can also kind of play around with these keywords that they recommend as well, like Pilates mat. So let's just try Pilates mat. Pilates class, Pilates mat class. Let's just search that up. So competition is very low, but so competition is low, so we got that in the yellow, but the volume is still quite low as well. So let's just see Pilates for beginners. Let's try that. Pilates for beginners. Okay, so that's pretty good. Volume is quite high. Competition is quite high. So what you can do here is, so Pilates for beginners has a high volume, but the competition is high. So I would just go there and just hit space. So and all of these suggestions would come up right here. So I would just try every single one of these suggestions right here. So like Pilates for 10 minutes. So let's just try that, Pilates 10 minutes. And that's almost there. So you can see it kind of getting there now. So I would hit space again, Pilates 10 minutes at home. Let's try that. So that's gone back down again. So let's just try. So I would just keep playing around with this. So this doesn't just, you're not just going to find a keyword right away, but I would just keep going back, trying new keywords over and over again. So like Pilates for beginners, Pilates beginners core. Let's try that. So this will probably take you like at least 10 minutes of search to actually find the keyword. So I'm not going to spend another 10 minutes finding the keyword here, but let's try Pilates for beginners with ball. Medium, but the search result, the volume is quite low. Let's try yoga for beginners instead. So yoga for beginners with ball. So that's medium again. So let's just try yoga for beginners, just that keyword alone. So competition is high, but the volume is quite low. So that's, quite high as well. So let's just hit space and see what else people search up in yoga for beginners. Oh, there's no suggestions coming up. That's interesting. Let me just hit research again. Let's just try 10 minutes in there. Okay, so we're almost there. So competition is low. 10 minutes. I would just say home, at home. So right now the at home keywords are like trending really well, like working at home, learning new things at home, cooking at home. Those are the type of keywords that are trending right now. So I would try those out. So I'm not going to spend too long trying to find those keywords, but it looks like Pilates for beginners is a really good keyword because it was almost there. You don't have to get it perfect every single time. So all those keywords I've been uploading, it wasn't that exactly. So this is a good keyword to go for. Even though the competition is high, the volume is really high. So you do have to, it would be nice if you could get the arrows to the yellow section right here. But don't worry too much if it's if it's over here. So the volume is quite high. If the volume is in green, but the competition is high, I would still make a video on this. But let's say the competition is low, but maybe the volume is at like the middle. I'll still make a video on that. So you don't have to be a perfectionist when it comes to finding keywords, as long as you find a video that's trending in the homepage of YouTube. So focus on the strategy that I just taught you, and then take that title and put it into the keyword, optimize that title into the title of your YouTube video. So you can learn much more about this in my YouTube course. You can check that out in the link in the description below. But that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.